3 mechanics quit my shop in the last 4 months. Just walked out. Done. One guy left $30,000 worth of tools sitting there. Didn't even come back for them. I posted a job opening 2 months ago. $500 sign-on bonus. Not a single qualified applicant. And I'm not alone. Shops across the country are closing because they can't find mechanics. 50,000 mechanics left the profession last year. That's the biggest exodus we've ever seen. And if you own a car, this affects you. Wait times are now 3 months for basic repairs. Labor rates up 40%. I'm going to show you exactly why this is happening, what it means for you as a car owner, and what's coming next. Because this gets worse before it gets better. What's up, gearheads? I'm John, and I've been a mechanic for 12 years. I've watched this industry change. I've seen mechanics come and go. But what's happening right now is different. This isn't normal turnover. This is a mass exodus. And it's creating a crisis that's going to hit every car owner in America. Today, I'm breaking down why mechanics are quitting, what happens when you can't find anyone to fix your car, and what you need to do right now to protect yourself. Let me give you the 5 reasons mechanics are leaving this profession. And these aren't guesses. This is what I hear from guys walking out every single week. Reason number 1, the pay hasn't kept up with the cost of living. The average mechanic makes $40,000 to $60,000 a year. That's before taxes. Meanwhile, rent has doubled. Gas prices are insane. Everything costs more. And here's the kicker, we work flat rate. That means we only get paid when we're actually turning wrenches on a car. Shop is slow, waiting for parts, diagnosing a weird problem, not getting paid. You can work a 10-hour day and get paid for 5 hours. That's the reality. Meanwhile, Amazon warehouses are starting people at $22 an hour guaranteed, climate controlled, benefits on day 1. Mechanic, 20 HR flat rate, not guaranteed. They wouldn't. And they're not. Reason number 2 is about the cost of doing this job. And nobody talks about this. Reason 2, mechanics have to buy their own tools. And tools are insanely expensive. A basic set of tools to be a competent mechanic, $30,000 to $50,000 minimum. Advanced tools, $80K, $100K plus. By the time you're 5-10 years in, you've got $60,000, $80,000, $100,000 in tools. And here's the dirty secret, most mechanics are making payments on those tools. The tool trucks finance everything. $500, $800, $1,000 a month in tool payments. Every month. For years. Compare that to electricians, plumbers, HVAC guys, their employer provides the tools. Mechanic tools. You pay. You wouldn't. Young people are smart. They're choosing other careers. Reason number 3 is the one that gets every mechanic eventually, no matter how tough you are. Reason 3, this job destroys your body. You're under cars in a 100-degree shop in summer. You're in an unheated bay in winter with frozen fingers trying to turn a bolt. Carpal tunnel, tennis elbow, shoulder problems from pulling on stuck bolts, back problems from bending over engines all day, knee problems from kneeling on concrete. By the time you're 40, you're taking ibuprofen like candy just to get through the day. And that's not even counting the chemical exposure, brake dust, oil, solvents. Who knows what that does long term? Meanwhile, your friend from high school is sitting in an air-conditioned office making the same money or more. AC office versus hot or dirty shop. After 10-15 years, guys just can't do it anymore. Their bodies give out. Reason 4 is about the customers. And look, most customers are great. But reason for customers treat mechanics like we're trying to scam them. You diagnose a problem, explain what's wrong, give them an honest quote, and they look at you like you're lying. They Google it. They call 3 other shops. They argue. I Googled it and it says it should only cost half that. Cool. Then Google should fix your car. They listen to strangers on Reddit instead of the mechanic looking at their actual car. And I get it. There are bad shops out there. But when you treat every mechanic like a criminal, good mechanics leave. Plumber quotes $500 equals accepted. Mechanics quote $500, we get questioned, accused, compared to YouTube videos. It's exhausting. And reason number 5 is about how complicated cars have become. And this is the biggest one. Reason 5, cars are so complex now that the training never stops. And we don't get paid to learn. Modern cars are computers on wheels. 50, 60, 70 electronic modules. Thousands of sensors. Every year, new technology. Electric vehicles. Hybrid systems. Advanced driver assistance. Paid training hours, 0. Plus hours at home studying wiring diagrams, watching training videos, learning new systems, and the diagnostic equipment keeps getting more expensive. $5,000 scan tool, outdated in 3 years. Need a new one. Constant learning, constant tool investment, and your hourly rate hasn't changed in 5 years. Software engineers get trained on company time. Company pays for conferences. They make 6 figures. Mechanics train on our own time, pay for our own equipment, make 50 grand. So what does this mean for you as a car owner? 3 things. 1. Wait times are going to get worse. 3 months for an appointment is becoming normal. 6 months for some specialty work. 2. Labor rates are going up. Shops can't find mechanics, so they're paying more, which means you're paying more. Labor rates went from $80 an hour to $120 in 2 years. They're going higher. 3. Quality is going down. Shops are so desperate, they're hiring inexperienced people and hoping they learn fast. That means more comebacks, more misdiagnoses, more problems. Let's recap why mechanics are quitting faster than ever. Reason 1. Pay hasn't kept up with cost of living. Flat rate means no guaranteed income. Reason 2. Mechanics buy their own tools. $50,000 to $100,000 out of pocket. Reason 3. The physical toll destroys your body by 40. Reason 4. Customers treat mechanics like criminals. Constant suspicion and arguing. Reason 5. Cars are too complex. Constant unpaid training required. More quitting in 2026. What you should do. Find a good mechanic now and build a relationship. Don't wait until you need one. Pay them fairly. Don't argue every quote. Treat them with respect. Because good mechanics are disappearing. Treat them right. If you learn something new about what mechanics are dealing with, hit that like button. Subscribe to Gearhead Garage if you haven't. I'm covering what's really happening in the automotive world, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Thanks for watching, Gearheads. Treat your mechanic right, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.